guys, happy Tuesday. Becky Thames here, live for the Drive at 5, and I am riding with Big Papa. We are going to look at a golf cart because Big Papa wanted a golf cart for Father's Day, and so we researched them, and he researched them, and he looked at what he wants, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to go buy a we're going to go look at a golf cart. And I was thinking about this when we got in the car to come and look at this golf cart. You know, I'm not sure how many of you could, just write a check for $5,000. We just looked Saturday. We were at the lake, and Bud was like, I would really like a golf cart. And I was like, okay. So that's when we started looking on Craigslist, and he went to some place today. So I posted last week that our family has 15 streams of income. The average millionaire has 7 streams of income. And so I wanted to share with you exactly how we do it. We probably have more than 15, but I just literally made a list while I was driving, because I was like, oh, I want to do the Drive at 5, and I didn't want to forget about this while we were driving. But at one time, there was a time when I would not have been able to just get my checkbook and write a check for $5,000. But because of e-commerce and how much we've been blessed with that, of course we can. So I wanted to just share with you our personal streams of income, and it's kind of bumpy, so hold on. Okay, he had another bump. So I wanted to share with you ours. So of course, Amazon is my #1 income earner, and I get paid on Amazon from 2 parts. One from selling my own private label products, and 2 for affiliate marketing. So if you know that you refer someone to a program, then you can get paid for it. And it's exactly the same as if I say, hey, go to this restaurant, and if you go to the restaurant and you buy the food, and if you like it, then whoever referred you to it gets paid for it, right? Or you could just go directly to Amazon. You know how Amazon has like Amazon Smile and things like that? So basically you are just helping someone out. However, if you use affiliate links, you have to have a disclaimer and say, hey, this is an affiliate link. And so every time whenever I recommend anything to anyone, I say, hey, this is my affiliate link, and I'm 100% transparent. Kendall, this video is for you because you were like, I don't want to refer anybody. So I'm going to share with you exactly how we make money without referring people as well. #1 is Amazon. Second is my career. I've been in my industry for 22 years, super passionate about protecting public health and my coworkers and my company. Love every single thing about it. Now the sun's in my eyes. My next one is eBay. Yes, I still sell on eBay. I sell my private label products on eBay, and so eBay is an income stream. And I also have a Shopify website, so I make money selling on my own Shopify website. Sorry, the sun is like literally all in my eyes. And then I also have Walmart. I sell on Walmart as well, and so Walmart pays me. They're a little slow though. They pay 90 days. So I literally don't touch anything, but I call the supplier or email him or text him, and he sends products directly to Walmart to their distribution centers, and I get paid for them. So that's kind of cool there. You Promise is my main one, but there's so many. I get cash back from my credit cards, and because I run my business on my credit cards, I get a ton of cash back on my credit cards. Now, I only recommend doing this if you are well disciplined with your credit cards, because if you're not, it could easily get out of hand, and then you would end up paying for stuff, and I don't want you to do that. I don't want you to pay interest. I want you to pay your credit cards off every month. But you have to be well disciplined. But I have a ton of them, but my main one, I have a couple main ones, but You Promise and City Cards are my main ones. I've already talked about affiliate programs, but I wanted to just name a few of them. Of course, Infinii, which is where, or DS Domination and Infinii, which is where I started almost 5 years ago online. It's still a very firm foundation. If you're brand new to Amazon, I do not recommend that you start with private label. And I'm only going to recommend things to you that I've personally done myself. So, of course, DS Domination and Infinii. Now, those are two that you do have to refer, but you don't have to. I mean, you can just make money and not refer anyone if you don't want to. ClickFunnels. I use ClickFunnels. That's another one of those affiliate programs. Awesome. Hi, Stu. I use ClickFunnels, and if you recommend ClickFunnels to other people, you can get paid for that as well. Aweber. I use Aweber. Aweber is another affiliate program. Aweber, if you're not on my email newsletter list, I'd love for you to jump on there. So you can go to BeckyThames.com, which is my name, or MakeMoneyWithBecky.com, and just enter your email and you'll be on my newsletter, and then you'll start receiving emails from me with what's going on and all that good jazz. ASI Inspector, that is what I personally have used to find my private label products. It's a software. Once again, it's another one of those affiliate programs that if you tell someone, then you can do that. MLSP, oh my gosh, My Lead System Pro, it's another affiliate program. If you're looking to make money online, whether it be with a blog or with Facebook or YouTube, whatever you need, they have the training over there. And hey, Skylar, that's where I've learned, and if you've watched me like progress over the 5 years, I learned a majority of my marketing from MLSP, and I'm super excited about that. And then the last one is my own courses that I've created. I've created a private label course and also a introduction to wholesale, because you're only one product away. You know, I've had one product that sold over 7,000 times on Amazon. Super stoked about that private label product, and that's what I wanted to share today. That's like, oh, and let me see, Big Papa, of course he has his retirement check, and he enjoys getting his retirement check every month. And then he also has a little part-time gig that he does once a week or once every 2 weeks or whenever he feels like it. So that's our income streams into our house. I highly recommend that you diversify your income, and then you could be on the way to decide to, you know, get a golf cart and 2 days later go write a check for $5,000. Actually, I'm not going to write a check. I'll get cash out of the bank tomorrow, but it feels good to have that because, and it's all because of e-commerce, and it's so cool to make sleep money. You know, when I wake up, and I'm going to knock on, there's no wood in here, but every morning when I wake up, I've made sales while I was sleeping. Every single morning. And that's pretty amazing. Okay, guys, so I am off of here, and I will talk to you all tomorrow on The Drive at 5. I'm leaving on a jet plane tomorrow. I'm super excited. Remember, I'm going to see Ray Higdon tomorrow. No, on Thursday. Super excited. I am going to spend the day with he and his wife. Remember back in, I think it was January, when I won the auction that donated to the March of Dimes, and then I said I was going to have a private label webinar, and everyone that donated to the private label webinar, or everyone that purchased that night, or that week, because I went on a cruise, I would give that to the March of Dimes, and $7,000 in 1 week, I donated all of it to the March of Dimes. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you. For those of you that don't know, Bud and I had a premature son. Our first son was premature, so March of Dimes is pretty special to us. Actually, our second son was premature as well, but he had weight on him. He was like 6 pounds instead of 3 pounds 7 ounces like our first son. But they're both doing well now, and you would never know it. So I hope you all have an amazing Tuesday. If you like this video, thumbs up, like it, share it. If you're watching it on YouTube, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow, probably from the jet plane. Bye.